The first thing you want to do is remove your guitar strings. Next, you need to remove your tremolo spring cover. Now you need to remove your tremolo springs. If that's hard, you can always use a pair of needle nose. Once you've removed the last spring, on a fulcrum point system, the bridge should just fall to the table. Lift the guitar up off it and there's your bridge. Now you need to remove your fulcrum point studs, as you will be using the ones that are supplied with the StepMax Tremolo system. Now insert your StepMax studs. Everybody wants to be a StepMax stud. Now set the StepMax Tremolo into the tremolo cavity. Slide it forward until the spring steel knife edges rest in the center of the V that's cut out in the tremolo studs. Adjust them up or down so that the tremolo lays flat on the body while pushed tightly against the studs. Your tremolo should now move freely up and back down to the body without hanging up anywhere. If it's hanging up anywhere, you'll want to solve that problem first before you go on. Flip your guitar over and reinstall your tremolo springs. If you're having trouble getting them on with just your hands, here's a neat little trick. Using a flathead screwdriver. Voila. After you have removed the tremolo springs, remove the 6 screws that hold the bridge down to the body. After you have removed the last of the screws, lift the tremolo straight up and out of the guitar body. Set your new StepMax Tremolo down into the tremolo cavity. Line up the 6 screw holes and install your old screws. With the tremolo setting flat on the guitar body, tighten the screw down until it touches the base plate and then back it off a quarter of a turn. Now you're ready to restring your guitar with your favorite brand and favorite gauge of string. There's nothing new here. It should be exactly the same as you've done it before. tune your guitar up to pitch. At that time you'll want to adjust the tension of the springs in the back. I like to set them so that I can do a full step bend on the strings without pulling that bridge off the body. Now you can put your tremolo spring cover back on. Now you're ready to set your height adjustment and your length adjustment. To set the length adjustment, you can go right through the tremolo through the back. And to do the D and the G string, you'll need to remove the step adjustment screw. Put your tremolo arm into the tremolo arm holder. You have two choices, a front position or a back position if you like it a little more out of the way so you can get a freer swing with your pick hand. Snug that screw down to the desired tension. You can have it loose or you can have it very tight. Don't be afraid to tighten this screw up. It can handle it. Set your step adjust thumb screw to your desired up pitch bend. Thank you for your interest or your purchase of the new StepMax Tremolo system. We hope that you enjoy this, and we'd like to tell you that this video was only intended to show you how to install the tremolo system, not to show you how to set up a guitar fully. Enjoy.